You need to watch this if you snore or wake up tired. There's a simple trick to stop the noise and boost your sleep. And no, it's not a fancy gadget. Most people think snoring starts deep in the throat, but often it's just mouth breathing. When you sleep with your mouth open, your jaw drops, your tongue slips back, and noisy air rushes in. This causes that annoying, rattling snore. Expensive gadgets? Forget them. The real fix is easy: mouth taping. Just put a special, gentle tape on your lips before bed. This nudges you to breathe through your nose, cutting down snoring and helping you get deeper, quieter sleep. Don't let mouth breathing steal your rest. Try mouth taping tonight and follow IntelliVerse Health X for more science-backed hacks.